Alright everyone, welcome back to Renovation Education. Today is a Tuesday, so it's time for our 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Today's 2-Minute Tuesday video, we're going to talk about how to paint around an outlet or a light switch like a professional. And the easy way to do it is take this off. It might sound simple. I see a lot of people not doing this, and it takes 2 minutes. Get a screwdriver, go ahead, twist it off, pop it off, bam, good to go. Now, once it's off, go ahead and get yourself a nice strip of blue painter's tape, shove it over like that. Make sure you cover all the top of it, just like that, good enough. You just want to cover it so when you get a roller and you roll, you're not going to get spritzels all over it. So that's just to catch the spritzels. That's all it's there for. Now, when you go to paint, I don't even use a paintbrush when I go to paint around this, because when you paint around it with a paintbrush, you're going to leave brush strokes. And when you go to roll, you're going to get lazy and not get close enough with the roller. So you're going to have what's called a picture frame, and you're going to see all the way around the edges with what you just did with your paintbrush. So that's why I don't even cut light switches or outlets in. I just go ahead, get as close as I can with the roller, because look at this gap. You have this gap. That's plenty of room to get in there with the roller to get a nice clean job, and that will give you the stipple look that's already on the wall without using a paintbrush. Not only does it save time, you don't have to cut these in, but you can just save yourself a lot of time and go ahead just by rolling it. So then when you go ahead, take it all off. Now you do want to be a little careful and not get your screwdriver and see where these gold and silver screws are. You touch that, you're gonna get a little electrocuted. So once you go ahead and roll it, give it some time, let it dry, throw your cover back on. You can even do it when it's wet, just be a little careful. Go tighten it up. Bam, it's that easy. Stop cutting them in with the paintbrush, stop taping this off. Just take it off, throw a piece of tape over the top to protect it, go ahead, roll it in, and it's that easy to paint around light switch. So I hope you liked today's 2-Minute Tip Tuesday video. This will help you save time painting around light switches, outlets, basically anything that's hanging up at all. If it has a screw, just take it off. It'll save you time, trust me. Not only will it save you time, it'll give you a better paint job, and you won't have a picture frame around this, because with the paintbrush, you will see it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and like I said, every Tuesday I'll have a new tip. Every Friday I'll have a cool odd tool review, and just an occasional how-to video as projects as I do them. So alright, hope you liked it. We'll see you next time.